Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable voice control on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, you have just to go to Settings, and after that, go to Accessibility. And as you can see, there is an option on accessibility. Let me just find it. It's called voice control. Just go to it. And as you can see here, there is the first option, set up voice control. So if you want to enable voice control, you have just to set up your voice control and you can start using it with your iPhone without any problems. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you.